Welcome to VIAVI Solutions referencing AP and CD on the Fiber Characterization Bi-Directional Kit. IBYC. Inspect before you connect. Always inspect fiber end faces before making any connections to avoid damage to your equipment or the network. If you're unfamiliar with this process, please watch the fiber inspection and cleaning video available here. Step 1. Making connections. Connect a 30-foot jumper to the OTDR-C port on the T-BERD 6000. Then, connect a 30-foot jumper to the COM port on the T-BERD 8000. Use a coupler to join the fibers together. Note that CD and AP referencing only need to be performed every 6 months, or when using new jumpers, or when you encounter unexpected errors for CD. PMD referencing is not needed or required. Step 2. Configuring the T-BERD 6000 as a source. Press the Home button, followed by tapping the BBS icon. It will turn yellow when activated. Press the Results button. Then tap the BBS tab at the bottom of the screen. Select CD. Tap Source On. Once you have referenced CD, switch the source to AP. Step 3. T-BERD 8000 reference setup. Press the Home button. Tap CD, AP, and the MTOW icons. They will turn yellow when they are activated. Press the Results button. Tap the MTOW tab at the bottom of the screen. Verify the output is set to Out B. Then tap the CD tab at the bottom of the screen. If you receive a message tuning, wait until the message disappears. This takes approximately 1 minute. Press the Setup button. Then, tap Take Reference. Tap Yes. Enter the BBS serial number in the field provided. Press the Start/Stop button on the T-BERD 8000. Step 4. Results. Once the reference is complete, you will receive a message Valid Reference. This means that the CD reference was taken successfully. Go ahead and tap the AP tab and repeat Step 3. Once you receive Valid Reference again, CD and AP references have been completed successfully. You are now ready to start testing. Thank you for watching.